So here we are, it's late October, and you saw some earlier videos of our Grove 36 project that we're getting ready to plant, and they were on the land preparation. Now this next series is about the recreation of the pump station. It's an old pump station from a prior grove, and we're going to refurbish some of the old parts, add a few new parts, and reconfigure it so that we can automate the irrigation and fertilization process. More on the pump house project. This is a 6-inch to 8-inch adapter. Flange is built on both sides, so we'll use in the pump station. You can see the corrosion that's occurred. This fitting is probably 30 years old. And so we're using an instrument called a needle scaler to knock the rust off. It's a pneumatic tool. And basically it uses those needles to knock the rust. Here you can see on the left where I've needle scaled off the rust and down to bare steel, and you can see the corrosion over here. This is yet left to do. Okay, we've got our adapter needle scaled off. We're down to bare steel on the inside. And so now we'll take this wire brush tool, die grinder with a wire brush. Smooth it off to get it ready for painting. Okay, now that we've got our reducer bushing 6 to 8 inch needle scaled and wire brushed and blown off with compressed air, we're ready for the OSPHO. And that's a coating of phosphorus acid. There's still some surface rust on there. It's iron oxide. So we're going to take this OSPHO and paint it on here. And you can see it combines with the iron oxide and it turns it black, which means that it's chemically now combined with the OSPHO and it's no longer corrosive. So just to wrap up today's session, we're working on this reducer bushing here, and we have other pump station parts. Over here is our filter housing, which has some of the paint chipped up off of it, so we have to repaint that. So before we can start putting together a pump station, we have to get these parts ready to go and then get the PVC ordered. And over here we've begun to assemble some of the plumbing and valves and what have you that are going to go into the pump station. So here we are over at the pump station. We've moved over the parts that we refurbished from the shop and acquired some new parts that we need to put it all together. And so the next step is to reconfigure this so that it will allow us to automate the system, which will improve our ability to manage the water and fertilizer. So here it is, partially completed. We actually got this far and had to take it down for Hurricane Matthew. But we're putting it back together, and in the next series of videos you'll see the pump station in action.